So my boy Jeff in the forums, Jeff up in Canada, sent me a picture of something that he came across, and when I saw it, I couldn't believe my own eyes. I'll tell you what, there's not a lot of things that I get sent via email, but when he sent this picture to me, I almost cried. I couldn't believe what I was looking at. So he made me a deal. He said, you can have back those box of parts, just use the other parts to build me a sweet Timmy. So I'm going to take a look inside this box here, and let me see. Oh fuck, I knew it. Oh my god. Okay, somebody somewhere in the US is smoking an obscene amount of crack cocaine because they took a Rendition Alias and took it apart. Okay, I don't... Why the fuck would somebody do that? Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my god. Yeah, so somebody in the United States smoked probably a UPS truck full of crack and decided to take apart, for whatever reason, take it completely apart, a Rendition Alias. Oh my god. Yeah, there's the ram sleeve, and here is the LPR with a, looks like a custom products gauge. And let's go ahead and put that in there. Put that in there. I don't even know what to say. It's not too often that I'm just absolutely fucking floored by the infinite ignorance of some of my fellow paintball players. That's actually kind of cool. He's for the species here. We've actually got the bolt plug, which is really nice because those are impossible to find. Bob Long doesn't make them anymore. And there's a really nice excessive ASA. And let's go ahead and see what other parts we've got in here. Okay, we've got the eye covers. We've got the trigger guard. I almost want to fucking cry. I can't believe what I'm looking at. Okay, we're getting there. And there's solenoid. Let's see, that wouldn't have been on the Rendition Alias. That one would have been, because that's the Bob Long adjustable ram cap. So we'll put that in there for right now. Wow, okay. So I'm going to build out some guns here. And I'm going to ship Jerf in Canada a working let's see here, I don't think that's an Empire frame, a working species intimidator, and probably just go and cry for a little while about what someone did to the Rendition Alias. So, oh my god. Okay, so that's it for the video. We've got some work to do to start putting these guns together, and that's about it. So thanks for tuning in.